This is a 4-pack of BNX TruFilter C7056 HEPA air filters. These are for automobile use, the cabin air filters, and these particular ones are sized to fit many different Toyota and Lexus vehicles. You can look at the listings for the exact lists of model years, but specifically for me, I'm going to be putting this into a 2006 Toyota Prius. So measurement size here is just a hair under 8.5, and also just a hair under 8.5, so it's kind of 8.5 square, and about 3/4 of an inch thick. So it looks pretty solid, like it has, you know, it's definitely going to capture lots of dust and stuff. I don't see any real holes through it. You know, so this is supposed to be HEPA quality, which is a pretty heavy-duty filtering, and it looks like it is. You know, this is a relatively thick filter material, and I don't see any way for particles to get through it. This guy out. Now, very important, do not turn upside down. Notice all of the air was coming in from the top and out the bottom, and all the debris is caught on this. So we need to take this out of the car before we turn it upside down, before we release it. And this is a paper filter, so it will bend. You can reach up inside and just kind of push it like this to get it out from underneath these tabs and those tabs. So that filter definitely needed to be changed. Now, okay, we take the new filter. Many of them will have an airflow indicator, so the airflow goes down, and we basically just have to put them underneath these tabs. And again, it's a paper filter, and so you can bend it a little bit while you're putting in. So it's okay if you need to bend it. Now, it might be easier to go this way because those things there bend easier than these side things. So we have it underneath all 4 of those tabs, and then we have to put it back in the same orientation with this stuff on the bottom and that stuff on top. All right, these guys fit perfectly, and they're certainly cleaner than what I pulled out of there.